Hello everyone, my name is Syaza Izzati, binti Salihin, and welcome to my presentation on the bill management application. Today, I am excited to walk you through a simple yet effective Python-based billing system using the Tkinter library. To start, from Tkinter import. This imports all functions and classes from the Tkinter library, which is used to create the graphical user interface. Next, I create main window using the root function. This creates the main window for the application, and I set its size using root.geometry to 1000 times 500 pixels. And I assign a title bill management and makes the window non-resizable. Next, reset function. This function clears all the input fields for the items by deleting their contents from the first character to the last. Since it is a bill management system, I have to calculate the total for the menu. And here is the total function. This calculates the total cost of the items entered. It retrieves the quantities of each item, converts them to integers, defaulting to 0 if there is an error. Calculates the cost for each item. Quantity multiplied by unit price. Displays the total cost in a label and entry widget, formatted to 2 decimal places. Next, main title label. This creates and packs a label for the main title bill management with specified background, foreground colors, font, width, and height. Next, menu card frame and labels. This section creates a frame for the menu and labels for each item with its price positioned within the frame. Next, I have bill frame and label. This creates a frame for the bill display and a label titled bill. Next, entry frame and labels. This part creates a frame for user entries and labels for each item arranged in a grid layout. It also initializes string var variables to store user input. Next, I have entry widgets. These lines create entry widgets for each menu item, which allow users to input the quantity of each item they wish to purchase. Next, I have placing entry widgets using grid layout. These lines position the entry widgets on the grid layout within their parent frame, F1. The row and column parameters specify the grid coordinates for each widget. Next, I put 2 buttons. First, button underscore reset, a button that when clicked triggers the reset function to clear all input fields. Second, button underscore total, a button that when clicked triggers the total function to calculate and display the total bill. Lastly, I have main loop. This line starts the Tkinter event loop, which keeps the application running and responsive to user interactions. The loop will run indefinitely until the user closes the window. So now, let's run the application. Click Run, and you can see the bill management system has appeared. Let's test the application. I set the cake quantity to 2, cookies to 3, coffee to 2, and pancakes to 5. I click the total button and then the bill will display the total for the menu I have ordered. This have sums up the quantity I have entered in the entry boxes. Let's click the reset button. Here, it will reset the system. And you can insert the quantity again. That's all from me. Thank you.